Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you another rake knife. And it will be the P135-SF. Probably the SF stands for stainless steel. I don't know, maybe. So here are the informations, so the design, and let's see the specifications. So we have a blank length of 9.2 centimeters or 3.62 inches. The over length is 21.4, so this is a nice on the larger size knife, or 8.42 inches. The blade thickness is 3.5 millimeters or 0.14 inch. The weight is 167 grams or 5.89 ounces, so this is a stainless steel frame lock, of course, and the blade is 14C28N, probably made by Sandvik, and the handle material is 420 stainless steel. Okay, nice to see also the information about the handle material. So we have some warranty information, of course, written in Chinese, written in English. I have a tag, nice cutout in the box, so the knife is protected in storage and in transit. So if you have a larger hand, then you will really appreciate this knife, because it's on the larger side, of course, has no jimping on the flipper tab, and has a, I would say, plastic or G10 backspacer. So no standoffs, no pillars, but a solid backspacer comes through here. It features a nice deep carry pocket clip, which has a decent bend to it, so you can really without problems insert in your pocket. And I'm really happy to see that the relief cut of this frame lock is put behind, far behind the contact point of the pocket clip and the frame, so that the fabric of your pocket trousers will not bunch up here, and you will have no problems to take it out of your pants. Okay, so this is really smooth. So therefore I suggest, I have not taken this knife apart, but given the smoothness, this rides on ball bearings, caged ball bearing washers. You have a really nice 3D cut or 3D milled scales, solid stainless steel with the beta lock, and this is really nice. Has a nice and positive click, so basically it will make it impossible to disengage the frame lock while closed, of course. So really smooth. I have not applied any kind of lubrication or oils. I would love to see some jimping here on the top, but then again, it's not necessary. If if you want a knife to play during the day or when you're watching a movie, so you will prefer to have no jimping here, because obviously it will not irritate your finger. Let's see, the centering is perfect. So we have really nice almost, I would say, reverse tento blade shape with a really nicely cut false edge there. We have the model number and some more informations about probably the knife, maybe some factory serial number, the blade steel, and the RUIKE logo there. We have a nice satin, almost polished satin polish, so definitely not a blasted finish, so this is good to see on a knife that is I would say budget oriented. So the pricing on the Beta Plus, you are looking to pay around $55, under $60, and that is of course depending on where are you buying it. You can probably get them even cheaper than that if I'm buying it from a seller that offers nice discounts, like when you are buying it here in Europe. But even for around that price, it is really decently made. You have also a nice sharpening choil there. Let's see the sharpness. So sharpness out of the box are extremely sharp, so you will have no problems there. And also this is 14C28N, so you have no problems to resharpening it. So this is no super hard steel, so yes, even if you have just some ceramic rods, and you will be really fine. Just strop it down a few times a month and you will be set. Okay, so let's see some size comparisons. So here's the Shirogoro Model 95, my favorite flipper. Really fast and hard flipper. Then I have here the Kershaw Blur, also Cold Steel Recon 1, $940 from Benchmade, Endura from Spyderco, Delica 4 from Spyderco, a large Griptilian, and small Griptilian. And here's the P831, and also the P865. So really nice offerings from RUIKE. There are a few other designs that I would really love to check out, so but time will tell if I will get them or not. For now, in my opinion, these are really nicely made knives, so extra features, decent steel, good flipping action, nice detent, good centering, and a really nice and good functional pocket clip. Some companies are not making any effort when they are making a nice knife and then put a really bad pocket clip. That said, I would love to see this pocket clip on the P831, but this was the design decision. Anyway, so the P135 is a really nice overall on the large side frame lock. If you have any questions, leave comments down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.